Hey guys, have you heard of web development, web design, web programming? Guess what? You are in luck. This video could be the best 5 minutes of your day today. So watch this video to the end and thank me later.
Hi everyone, welcome to our first lesson in this course.
Part 1, General Knowledge, Lesson 1.
What is a website?
A website is a collection of related web pages that are interconnected and hosted on a server, making them accessible through the internet. This is just a simplified definition of what a website is. But then, before we go into it, I am going to take you through the history of websites, so to say, how did it come about?
The first generation of websites we had was what we call Web 1.0. It sprouted out in the early 1990s and 2000s. So we can see that Web 1.0 are the original websites we had.
1.0 were static pages, kind of a collection of information of different particular web pages interconnected by hyperlinks where people go and access information, which means they had few content creators and a growing audience of consumers. The second generation of internet were the Web 2.0. It was an upgrade to Web 1.0, but then it had a little bit of dynamic entity. A user could interact with the website. Web 2.0 is the current version of websites we are using now.
3.0 represents the next phase of internet whereby pages or whereby websites are expected to be decentralized, more open, and have greater utility.
Unlike Web 2.0 websites, whereby large companies like Facebook, Twitter, handled our data and owned our information, in Web 3.0, with the help of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, it is expected that users will own their own information. That is what we mean by decentralization. So in general, we would presume that we are learning how to build Web 2.0 websites, which are not only static like the first Web 1.0, but then is expected to be dynamic. By dynamic, I mean there should be an interaction between the user and the website. Websites are designed using different programming languages and technologies like HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheet, and JavaScript, and serve different purposes such as sharing information, selling products, and providing entertainment. Websites can be categorized into two main types: static websites and dynamic websites. Static websites display the same content for every user, while dynamic websites offers personalized and interactive experience based on users' inputs and preferences.
An example of a dynamic website is the one we all know, which is Facebook. Depending on your likes, depending on your followers, depending on those contents that you enjoy, the display, the information Facebook pushes out to you will be quite different from what it pushes out to another person. So that is what we mean by static websites and dynamic websites.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd want to be part of our tech journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.